Around 7 shops were gutted by a fire which broke out in the early hours of May 9th at Nongpoh. The shops were situated in different locations, 5 in Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex and 2 in front of the Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank. According to eyewitnesses, the flames were controlled by the Central Reserve Police Force personnel on duty in the area. Speaking to media persons, the shop owners were in complete distress as each incurred losses worth lakhs of rupees. Therefore, they will file a complaint at Nongpoh Police Station over the incident. Furthermore, they urged the government to take stringent action against the miscreants.
Dengan senang dalam pun nak ikut terlok angga, kita tim pasti beri nak jujur dukan jodi yang ada ibadah ini orang tang buat pada ibadah sewentu, daripada ke orang der bawa tu beri mula syatang tentang. Dia kejengdu dia kamtir ke bakal jungi ru nomor ba. Itu dia minta ke perkiraan minta dia kiar kita ni kuat bakal serkar kapit banyak kemudian banyak ya kami ke benkam nomor bagi kita kejengdu kejengsiap dengan nomor hilong itu beduk dikit. Iwan ti hang ni ngi belan pendap perbiang yang kayu kastem jungi. Kelsek kalau benar dia ngir gedap dia sisi ke bakal tengi kuat bakal serkar kan ya bat kiru sebab benar belum nak bentar jungi lah kalau kumno
तो खाली इधर भी नहीं आगे में भी बैंक का सामने भी जलाया इधर में भी दो जगह जलाया तो कोई दस खाने वाला कोई खराब आदमी लोग जलाया ऐसा लगता है
तो आपका सामान कितना लॉस हो गया?
हमका जैसा 4 लाख 5 लाख रुपये का सामान घर का अंदर में था तो जल गया सब पाइप किया गया.
Additionally, when inquired if the CCTV of the MCAB ATM was able to record the incident, it was found that it was not functional since there was no electricity.
For more news updates, subscribe, like and share.